Hello, OG! I'm Rojane.
And I'm Kit, and welcome to our modern tropical villa here in Caloocan.
Welcome to Klimba Villa. Tuloy po kayo. We named our place Klimba Villa after our two cats, Clay and Simba. Hello!
Hi, babies! So, kung mapapansin nyo, para siyang isang bahay lang talaga, pero this is our main house and this is our guest house. For the team naman, modern tropical talaga siya, pero gusto pa rin kasi naming haluan ng industrial touch. So, the walls are bare concrete finish. So, for this one, we used smart blocks from Smart Masonry. And dito naman, as you can notice, meron kami jalousie windows from taas and baba kasi gusto namin itong advantage of the natural lighting and para meron ding proper ventilation dito sa bahay namin.
The name Klimba Villa comes from our two cats, namely Simba and Clay. And so pinagsama lang namin siya kaya naging Klimba Villa. So the total lot area of this property is 186 square meters. So yung house namin is around 90 square meter, then itong villa is around 90 square meter din. So yung mismong bahay namin, yung floor area namin is around 30 square meter lang, para lang siyang studio unit ng condominium. For this villa naman, yung floor area niya is around 60 square meters, not including yung pool and yung kitchen area. Welcome again to Klimba Villa. Andito tayo ngayon sa outdoor area. So as you can see, this pool is Bali inspired. Gumamit kami dito ng Sukabumi and Black Lava Stone sourced directly from Indonesia.
Gusto kasi namin na aligned pa rin kami sa modern tropical theme. So, sa baligid, naglagay kami pa din ng greens around the area ng pool. And share ko lang din, ito yung favorite spot namin sa buong property. Kasi every time nagsiswimming kami or yung mga guests namin, mafe-feel mo na parang na-transport ka into another place. One with nature ka pa din kahit nandito ka lang sa Metro Manila.
Yung lot nakita namin to through Facebook Marketplace. Before namin to makita, meron na talaga kami dapat bibilin na isang lot. Kaso hindi natuloy eh. Nagkaroon kami ng problems dun sa owner. Tapos, the night that day, nakita ko tong lot. So, pinuntahan agad namin siya nung mga 7 PM. Pagdating pa lang namin sa lot, parang perfect na agad for us yung lot. Here in Klimba Villa, we have 2 bedrooms. Tara, punta tayo sa first bedroom. So, andito tayo ngayon sa main bedroom ng villa. Kung mapapansin nyo, same lang yung exterior and interior wall finishes natin. Naglagay lang tayo ng bricks and ng PVC wall cladding for additional accent walls. Klimba Villa is inspired by a local hostel in La Union, which is yung Vessel Hostel.
So, since we love to travel, kung nagsistay kami sa mga place, lagi kaming nakatingin kung ano ba yung mga maganda or materials. And parang naging dream na kasi namin na magkaroon sana ng beach house sa La Union or Siargao. And ayun, nung parang nagkaroon na kami ng opportunity to gumawa ng sarili namin. So dito sa main bedroom, meron tayong sofa that can be converted into a bed, double-sized bed, and this sliding barn door that leads us to the toilet and bath. For the design ng toilet and bath, we use the same tiles ng bedroom sa floor and walls, pero kinat namin siya into different size para magkaroon naman ng accent yung shower area.
For the outdoor area, meron din tayong dining and kitchen. So for the tiles, yung ginamit namin tiles sa bedroom, same lang ng ginamit namin sa floors and the backsplash for continuity. Instead of using solid walls, we use breeze blocks for proper ventilation. Now, kung maaalala nyo, itong mga blocks na to, ginagamit to sa mga lumang bahay. But we gave it a new identity and trinay namin incorporate to sa modern design to give accent wall sa buong property. And ito naman, yung spiral stairs natin, it will lead us to the second bedroom. Tara, punta tayo dun. Andito tayo ngayon sa second bedroom ng Klimba Villa. So since kaya namin mag-accommodate ng up to 8 persons, meron tayo ngayon ditong double deck with pull-out bed. And also gumamit din tayo ng floor-to-ceiling jalousie windows for proper ventilation. And also para ma-enjoy natin yung view ng pool area. At hindi mawawala ang ating toilet and bath.
What we learned in having a rental business is kailangan mahaba yung pasensya mo. Since may mga customers na mag-i-inquire sa'yo and yung iba pa ulit-ulit talaga yung questions nila. And we understand since mag-stay kasi sila and gagastos sila ng pera. So they want to have the best experience din. So yung regarding sa noise control, so we have reminders na initially pa lang talaga upon booking, meron na kaming rules na until 10 PM lang yung loud noises and we avoid din na to have them bring karaoke kasi gusto naming ma-maintain yung place as serene and calm lang. For the rates, if you plan to rent the room in front of the pool, which is good to 2 to 4 packs and exclusive pa rin sa inyo yung use of the whole villa, it's 5,000. If you're a larger group naman, which is up to 8 packs, you can rent the whole villa for 8,000 pesos.
We want you to experience Klimba Villa firsthand. So please message us at Facebook and Instagram at Klimba Villa.
So that ends our tour. Thank you for watching this video.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo and matutunan kayo sa story ng Klimba Villa.
So malay nyo, kayo naman ang next ma-feature ng OG channel.
So once again, thank you for watching.
Bye!
If you have an interesting or inspiring story that you want to share, email us at stories.onlygood@gmail.com. At para wala kayong ma-miss na video ng OG channel, subscribe na and hit the notification bell to get updates on our latest episodes.